Sometime back, I had vitamin D deficiency along with low hemoglobin count and fatigue. While reading and researching about it, I came across a superfood that I want to talk about today. Do you know what it is? When my mom used to make it regularly at home, I never liked it much. I used to complain, why do we have to have this so often? I'm tired of it. Do you know what it is? It's something that grows abundantly around many of our homes in India. A real superfood factory. The same tip can be used with other recipes too for extra vitamin C naturally.
It's considered a cancer preventive.
Well-rich in iron, there's various other qualities. The very medicinal, it purifies the blood. Various aspects are there.
So it is being consumed these days, particularly in United States and UK and Europe, with a big demand.
Now, let's see how to include them in our daily diet in a tasty way. This helped me a lot, so I wanted to share it with you too. Use it consistently for 60 days and share your experience and tell me how it helped you in the comments. Namaskaram. At one point, when I was experiencing a lot of tiredness and occasional back pain, a few things and some information really helped me. In this video, I am sharing them with all of you because they may help you too if you are experiencing any of these symptoms. Sometime back, I had vitamin D deficiency along with low hemoglobin count and fatigue. While reading and researching about it, I came across a superfood that I want to talk about today. Do you know what it is? When my mom used to make it regularly at home, I never liked it much. I used to complain, why do we have to have this so often? I'm tired of it. But now whenever I get the chance, I try to include it in my daily diet if possible. Do you know what it is? It's something that grows abundantly around many of our homes in India. A real superfood factory. I am talking about Moringa leaves or drumstick leaves. You might be thinking, oh, is that all? But let me explain the facts first. Listen to the whole thing and then decide whether what I am saying makes sense or not. The first and foremost thing I understood is that Moringa leaves are loaded with nutrients. They contain more calcium than milk, more vitamin C than oranges, and also rich in vitamin K, A, and E. Vitamin A helps support vision. Vitamin C helps boost immunity. Vitamin C and E support skin health. Most of us already know these benefits, don't we? The second point is that Moringa leaves can be very beneficial to people suffering from fatigue and paleness due to low hemoglobin count in the blood. Moringa leaves contain good amount of iron, which helps support hemoglobin levels in the blood, especially for vegetarians and vegans or anyone dealing with low HB count in the blood, related fatigue and weakness. However, for iron to be absorbed effectively into the bloodstream, vitamin C is also needed. Moringa leaves naturally contain vitamin C, but vitamin C is heat sensitive. When moringa leaves are cooked, a significant portion of that vitamin C is lost because of that. To prevent this and maximize the benefits for low hemoglobin count in the blood, I'll share a special moringa stir-fry recipe along with a tip to preserve vitamin C. So please watch the full video. The same tip can be used with other recipes too for extra vitamin C naturally. I also found a list during my research showing the nutrients present in moringa leaves and what percentage of daily requirements they provide. I have included it on the slide just as a reference. You can pause the video and read the details if you wish. From that, you can see how nutrient-rich moringa leaves are, can't you? Now, the third point is, as I mentioned earlier, moringa leaves contain more calcium than milk. For calcium absorption, vitamin D is important, and we usually get vitamin D from sunlight. some people may need vitamin D supplements, especially people living in countries such as the UK, Ireland, Canada, Northern Europe, Russia, and some parts of the US often receive less sunlight, particularly during winter when daylight hours are shorter. As a result, vitamin D deficiency is far more common there, and supplements may be necessary. When taking vitamin D supplements, it's important to ensure the body also gets enough calcium. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, which can be helpful for issues such as back pain related to calcium deficiency. Another important factor when taking vitamin D supplements is vitamin K, particularly vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 helps direct the calcium absorbed with the help of vitamin D into the bones and muscles where it belongs. Otherwise, calcium may accumulate in blood vessels and potentially contribute to blockages and heart attack. Some researchers also suggest that improper calcium metabolism like this may be associated with kidney stones. Moringa leaves contain plenty of vitamin K1. Vitamin K1 mainly supports blood clotting. In addition, beneficial gut bacteria can convert some vitamin K1 into vitamin K2. Even though the amount may be small, vitamin K2 helps calcium get deposited in bones and muscles rather than accumulating in soft tissues such as heart and kidneys. So, we have understood how moringa leaves help increase calcium levels in the body, haven't we? Furthermore, moringa leaves may help reduce body heat and inflammation, improve digestion because of their fiber content, support focus and mental clarity, help maintain cholesterol balance, and support heart health. So, finally and most importantly, we understood moringa leaves are not just ordinary leaves. They are a natural nutrition capsule right in your kitchen.
Murungu is right now become a superfood in the Western world. The Murungu pods come and the Murungu seeds and the Murungu oil has immense healing power. It's considered a cancer preventive.
Well, rich in iron, there's various other qualities. They're very medicinal, it purifies the blood. Various aspects are there.
So it is being consumed these days, particularly in United States and UK and Europe, with a big demand.
Moringa oil has become very popular. Moringa LA, the dried leaf, they're putting it in their tea and drinking it. But you can eat drumstick in so many ways, both leaf and the pods.
But it is one of the most common trees. There is no single home in the southern India where there is no Murungu tree.
Now, let's see how to include them in our daily diet in a tasty way. That's a special moringa leaf stir fry or Poriyal recipe is being shown here. Ingredients are there on the slide now. I have taken 2 bunches of moringa leaves here, purchased from Indian store. Separate the leaves, wash them thoroughly, place them in a bowl and let the water drain for about 10 minutes. Now, heat some oil in a pan. I'm using coconut oil, but you can also use ghee. The fat helps absorb the fat-soluble vitamins in this leaf like A, E and K. If you use ghee, you may also get some additional vitamin K2 from that. That's an extra tip. Now add mustard seeds and let them pop. Add 2 tablespoons of split urd dal and fry them lightly. Add the washed and dried moringa leaves now. Add about half teaspoon salt and cook on low heat until the leaves begin to wilt. In the meantime, let's prepare the coconut mix for that. In a mixie jar, add 4 scoops of grated coconut, two cloves of garlic, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoons salt. Grind this mix coarsely. Now add this mixture to the half-cooked moringa leaves. Now, in that same mixie jar, take 4 tablespoons of peanuts and 1 dried red chili and grind them to coarsely and add it to the stir fry. This adds flavor and makes the dish richer in protein. Mix everything well and cook on medium heat for about 3 minutes. Your healthy and tasty moringa stir fry is now ready to serve. As I mentioned at the beginning, here is a tip that may help people suffering from fatigue and paleness due to low HB count in the blood. Take 1 Indian gooseberry or amla and chop it very finely and use it as a garnish on top of this moringa stir fry. For 1 cup of moringa stir fry, add 1 finely chopped amla and mix it in and enjoy it with rice or chapati. Although moringa leaves contain vitamin C, much of it is lost during cooking. Amla or gooseberry contains a much higher amount of vitamin C, and the vitamin C in amla is considered more stable during heating and is heat resistant to an extent. Because of the vitamin C from amla, the iron present in moringa leaves will get absorbed more effectively. Including moringa leaves regularly in your diet, ideally daily or at least every 3 or 4 days, will help support people dealing with low HB count as well as issues associated with low calcium levels such as back pain. This helped me a lot, so I wanted to share it with you too. Please try this moringa stir fry and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Use it consistently for 60 days and share your experience and tell me how it helped you in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment with your feedback, share and subscribe. I'll be back with another relevant video soon. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy and stay positive. Thank you.